Hi friends. So when someone enters your home, they don't notice your living room, your kitchen or your bedroom. What they notice is that small but tiny space which is called entrance foyer. And today I am going to talk about the entrance foyer. Entrance foyer is something which sets the mood for entire home. So that's very important part in our entire home. So entrance foyer is your chance to make a statement. It's that first impression, and as we all know, first impressions last. It's like your handshake, warm, welcoming, and reflective of your personality. So today I'm going to take you around the secrets of styling the entrance foyer. So the very first secret is understand your space. Some entrance foyer can be with very high ceiling and very spacious, while some can be very small, like just a passageway. Don't just copy what magazine is showing or what Pinterest is showing. Work on what you have. For example, if you have small passageway, give large mirrors to visually expand the space, or give those sleek console spaces, or give those small shelves on the passageway. This takes me to the second secret, that is lighting. Lighting can instantly make or break the mood of your entrance fire. That pendant light, that chandelier, or even the wall lights on the entrance foyer can really add drama and elegance. So if the space is small, you can just work on the ambient lighting. But if the space is large, you can work on layering of the lighting. Like for example, if there is a table, you can add that table lamp or a nice fixture on the ceiling. Even you can add the candles. So the right lighting doesn't just brighten the area, it creates that sense of arrival. It sets your mood. Now let's talk about the power of mirrors. Mirrors are not just decorative material, they are magical. So the mirrors don't just reflect the light, they also make the space look bigger and they instantly give that polished look. So you know that round mirror on the console table? That's timeless styling trick. Another secret, storage that doubles up as style. Imagine you have a cluttered entryway, like all your shoes, your keys, all your bags are lying in the entryway. So, what you should do, if you have a console, add those drawers so that you can store your keys. If you have a sitting bench, give hidden storage below. That will also instantly give that warmth and texture to the entryway. Remember, a foyer that feels organized feels inviting. Let's not forget art and accessories. Your entrance foyer is a way to showcase your personality. If you have that nice console table, add the sculpture, add that nice sculpture which you have picked up from your holiday, or add your family photos, or add some nice artwork. Entrance foyer is a way to make that space personal and alive. The proof is stick to the color palette or theme so it doesn't feel very busy. Now, talking about the statement, don't underestimate the power of greenery. If you add a small vase of fresh flowers or a tall indoor plant, that immediately adds that breathe into the entrance foyer. Plants always add that calmness and freshness to the foyer. Plants makes your guests more at ease the moment they step inside. Now let's talk about my favorite styling secret, that is rug. A well chosen rug defines foyer, add that warmth and also visually creates a barrier between entrance foyer and rest of the home. Also, use a rug that is very durable because it's a high traffic area, but do not afraid of using bold colors and patterns. So bold rug can inject a personality, while a neutral rug can create that balance and elegance. Moving on, let's explore the sitting options. If your space allows, add that chic bench or nice ottoman or the accenture to the entryway. Your guests will certainly enjoy sitting there and taking off their shoes. Also, it will immediately add that cozy and lived-in vibe to the entryway. You can also add a throw cushion or a blanket for that extra touch of warmth. Here is another effective and impactful secret, that is scent. Have you ever entered in someone's house and immediately felt very calm and fresh because of the scent? Your foyer is a place wherein you can use that signature scent. You can add a nice set of candle, or you can add fresh flowers, or you can add that essential oil diffuser. Don't forget to add a nice scent to the entrance foyer to add that lasting impressions on your guests. Now let's talk about the cohesion with rest of the home. Let's think of it as the opening chapter of a book. The color, the texture, or the material, whatever you are using in the foyer, should flow into your living room, your dining, or whatever it comes next. For example, if your overall home is modern or minimal, your foyer should reflect the same. If your home is eclectic or luxurious, your foyer should set in a tone for what comes next. To sum it up, styling your foyer means balance. Beauty meets function, and personality means practicality. Whether you have a grand entrance or a cozy corner, these styling secrets lighting, mirror, storage, art, greenery, rugs, seating, scent, and cohesion. It can transform your entryway into a space that makes people stop, smile, and say wow the moment they walk in. So remember, a passage is not just the entryway, it's first impression of your home and by extension of you. So again, don't let it go unnoticed. With little thought and creativity, you can design your entryway that tells your story, welcomes your guest, and makes you happy every time you enter through that door. So, next time when you enter your home, take a fresh look at your foyer and ask yourself, does it say what I want to say? If not, it's time to style it with intention. Thank you guys for watching. Hope you liked my video log. Do not forget to like, comment and subscribe.